YouTubers, and welcome to Deal's Prime Review channel. Today we're going to be doing an in-depth review for the cs918s Android TV box. And now let me scroll in a little bit, zoom in a little bit. In this review we're just going to check out the user interface, the pre-installed apps, the icons, then do some web browsing. Before we get started, make sure to like our video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And with that, let's get started. So basically the cs918s, it improves on the 918 by adding this flip up 5 megapixel web camera. It has autofocus, and also there's an option to not have this but have a 3G modem that inserts into this, so it can also be have built-in 3G or a 3G modem, basically built-in 3G. And it also has 2 gigabyte DDR3 and Bluetooth. So I have a mouse connected here, a cute lady there, and let's just check out some of let's check out the user interface. And here we have applications, web browser, downloads, file manager, settings. We'll go in here in a second in media. Let's go to applications first. And this one thing is, like, there are quite a few Chinese apps, so be careful what you click into. So this is a 4K player. It's a high definition player. AirPin Lite, so DLNA, DMR, AirTunes, all the good stuff. Browser, camera. There's a 5 megapixel camera, which I'll show you that with autofocus. Scene TV is a Chinese app, so no need to go in there. Dev tools. And download manager, email, file manager, binary receiver. So we'll connect to the internet pretty soon, shortly. Flash player settings, gallery, Google settings. Do not enter this. We actually this is our second take of this video, and it's almost impossible. I read Chinese, and it's almost impossible to get out of this without rebooting the tablet. Mirrorcast receiver. Okay, so this is cool for displaying, sharing things on the screen. Music. No music pre-installed. Play Store. We'll connect to Play Store for part 3 when we do an in-depth. We do a Antutu benchmark test. PPS. So this is Chinese app, PPTV. It's kind of like you can watch bootleg movies. Settings. We'll go in there in a second. Skype. Sound recorder. Speech recorder, update, and this is where the XBMC is. So looks like we may have to wait for this. So you can take this time to like our video, also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I just want to remind you to check out part 1. We show you the accessories, show you the build of this TV box, and we'll also show you the free YouTube promo gift. Okay, so yeah, so if you right click it, then you can escape. You can get out of there. Okay, and this is a Chinese app, YouTube, and yeah, the rest are Chinese apps. So let's go into settings now, and we'll connect to internet, but I'll come and stand in front of this while I enter the password. Oh no. Okay, well, this is the XBMC. So good that we saw that. So it is pre-installed, and let me connect to Wi-Fi. I'll just stand in front of the camera. So again, remember to like our video, subscribe, and there's actually a link to this CS918 in the YouTube video description, it actually clicks over to dealsprime.com. So Bluetooth is turned off, and Wi-Fi is connected. Data usage, storage. Let's check out the storage. I believe it's 2 GB DDR3. Yeah. This is another improvement on the cs918 version. There's 1.2 GB available. 16 GB RAM with 10.04 GB available. And we'll go into apps in a second. Let's check out language and input for our international viewers. We'll just scroll through this really quickly. Okay. Let's check out About's tablet, but this is about a TV box, cs918s. And this was last updated November 12th. So this is truly new and exclusive, but 2 days ago. Wow. And apps. So let's see. Check out running and just confirm the RAM, 1.4 GB free. And we'll scroll through the apps and then do some web browsing, and then we'll get ready for part 3, which will be the Antutu benchmark test. It's actually taking a while for that to load there. Okay, 4K player, so it's a high definition media player. W-Flash 11.1, Bluetooth share. DevTools, email. Google Play Store, you can download free and pay for games and applications. HTML viewer. Miracast receiver. Oops, cancel. Photo screensavers. Skype. So you can use the 5 megapixel camera to do video chat on Skype. Sound recorder. System UI, DVD launcher. So we've seen that. It's a custom user interface. YouTube. Okay, cool. So we got through this, and now let's do some web browsing. And we'll go to Bing first. I believe it's OWL on there today. We've done quite a few reviews today, so just another reason to subscribe to the Deals Prime YouTube channel. You can see it loads fast. It looks like it's downloading some of the images. Maybe go to MSN. Okay, so nice and fast. Interesting news. I've got MTV. Check out some lighter news or some gossip. Yeah, so the Chinese Bing isn't as it usually does. So there's MTV. So you can see it's high definition, and let's go to Deals Prime and just confirm some of the other specs. Actually, we're running out of battery, so I'll make this really quick. So dealsprime.com, and just do a search for cs918s, and there's also a link to this inside of our YouTube video description. And once you get here, so CS, then 918S, because this is, oh there it is, it pops up. So this is a quad core A31S, and it has Bluetooth, camera, and and also 2 GB DDR3. So these are the three main upgrades to the non-S version. And we have pictures on there and accessories. So 16 gigabytes RAM, 2 GB, and 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote control, which we show in part 1. Mic built in, camera is 5 megapixels. Okay, and here are some of the videos that can play. It has XBMC pre-installed, and yeah, so pretty cool device. So stay tuned, like our video, subscribe, and we're going to be getting ready for the live Antutu benchmark test. Thanks for watching.